So many of us have heard of using acupressure or trigger points when we're dealing with headaches. Probably the most common point that you've heard is to use this point right in the hand, in the big webbing of the hand, which is a very sensitive and tender point. Before I ever started to be an acupuncturist or acupuncture school and training, people told me about this, and sometimes it worked and sometimes it didn't, and I never understood why. The reason for that is because this point doesn't treat all headaches, it just treats specific types of headaches. But without making this a acupuncture points 101 class, I want to just teach you how to best find points to treat headaches. So without telling you, okay, if you've got a headache in this location, you use this point, which is too much memorization, I'm just going to give you some fundamentals, okay? So the first fundamental is that if you've got pain on one side of the body, you use the opposite hand or foot, okay? So if the headache's on the right side, you're going to use the left hand or the left foot primarily. And you always start in the webbing of the hand, in the webbing between the thumb and the index finger, and you're going to start to apply pressure there. And typically, if you're in the right spot, within just a couple of seconds, there will be relief and easing of the pain and discomfort. So I would stay there for some time. If that doesn't work, then you're going to go to the next webbing between these two digits. Okay, and these areas are much smaller, so you have to get in there with like the tip of your finger or your nail. And if that doesn't work, then you go to the next. And if that doesn't work, then you go to the next area. So it's not this way, it's this way. All right? And the same thing is true with the foot. So in between, just imagine this was the foot, you would do the exact same thing. In between the largest webbing of the big toe and the second toe of the foot, and then in between the joints as well from there for the headaches. And so you should receive a temporary relief with that, at least allowing your body to relax a little bit and ease. Now this is not a replacement for acupuncture, it just allows you to use some of these techniques between treatments or in the middle of the night when you're having these flare-ups. Thank you.